So today is 7th November and Nifty has opened gap up a little bit, 90 points gap up. And I'm still holding this CE which I bought at 18,041. So I got the chance to exit very early, but I didn't exit it. So this red line is my stop loss, and this line here, I'll exit once it touches this or it goes below this. I won't wait for a closing of a 5-minute candle, but I'll exit immediately if it crosses this. So right now I'm in a 300-400 rupees loss, and this is my target here, around 350, 300, 350. So Nifty is coming down, which is not a good sign for me right now. I was expecting it to open in a major gap up, but it didn't happen because there was 2 days holiday, Saturday and Sunday. So today is 7th. In case Nifty would have opened like in case there was not 2 days gap, 2 days holiday, then Nifty would have opened higher. So it's time for me to exit and book my loss. So it almost touched this middle point of this channel, and the middle point will come somewhat here, and from there it has been falling. So let me see, this is the middle point. So this was the low of the first 5-minute candle, and it is going, Nifty is trying to break it. In case it breaks it, I'll leave immediately, because at 177 this line that I have is at 198, so almost 200, and this 177 is the parallel channel, is a box that Nifty had created. So it can come here, take support, and then go up. So I'll book my loss here, and then I'll re-enter if it takes support from here. So this is what I can do, or this is what I'm trying to do. I got the chance of exiting the market in the morning with 100 rupees profit, but I chose to stay not because of greed, but because to get a proper setup. And it's just like I'm going to lose 500 rupees, and that's okay for me, because losing I'm more focused on keeping my brain cool and composed and calm. So let's see what happens. That I've taken today after booking my loss of 500 rupees. As I said earlier, I could have exited here with 100 rupees profit, but I waited, not because I became greedy or something like that, but I was waiting for a proper setup, and I thought that maybe it could go upwards. So the thing that I could find was I didn't become very fearful. I was not afraid. Uh, I was seeing a loss of 900 something rupees, and from there I could recover 300 400. That is enough. And my setup here was not bad because my setup here was pretty much okay, but for 2 days Nifty has been consolidating, giving me the loss. And today, this is my entry point, 18167. This candle here, I entered at exactly this point in this week, this candle, because I was waiting for it to be confirmed. Uh, I was hoping to enter here when it broke this red line, 195, and I was waiting for a particular price of 14 rupees, 16 rupees. I actually bought a PE of 900, 17,900, and so I was waiting for a little bit pull up so that I could buy it a little bit cheaper. Because of the loss that I made, like 200 rupees, if also I could add, like if I if I could be 200 rupees cheaper, then it would help me in the loss of 500 rupees, 600 rupees that I made. So I waited, then it came down here, and then I had to wait for a confirmation, and this candle gave me a confirmation. Here, I entered at this green candle here. It came down till here, and then formed a green candle, and I entered here, and this is the current scenario. So I'll wait for the day, because tomorrow is market is closed tomorrow, and these green lines here, 18,082, 18,004, 17,971. These are all my targets, 1, 2, and 3. So I can book at 18,082, or I can book at 18,049. This is also a target. It's almost. So this is target 1, this is target 2, target 3, target 4. If I don't book, I'll definitely trail my stop loss. So and actually, the thing is, if I look at it, then it has Nifty is trying to make a double top pattern with a neckline of 17,960. So this is the neckline, and I feel that today Nifty can break the neckline, because tomorrow is holiday, and then, or it may not, it may break it on the 9th of November, so on Wednesday. So whatever happens, I'll wait. And I'm not doing any equity trade today, because yes, on Friday I made a loss of 50 rupees. Just learning how to trade on intraday. So the setups and the guidance, everything is required, but the most important thing for me is my psychology, without which uh, I cannot be a sustainable trader. So I am trying to improve my psychology, but I do feel that I need guidance and support. So I am trying to do whatever I can on my own, uh, to to change my thinking, to change my emotions, or to prevent my actions being interrupted by my emotions. And let's see what happens in the long run. But I'm at least trying. So yeah, let's see where the market goes. And That's it. Now my entry was at 18,167 at this week here, and Nifty is currently at around 18,116. This is a pivot. 63. This is a pivot, and I can trail my SL here, but since my option is 17,900 P, so still 200 points below the current price, so I'm not getting a good profit. But this is also pivots here, 1, 2, 3, and my targets. This is target 1, target 2, target 3. So in case if I trail my stop loss here, I'm planning to trail it till here, and if it somehow breaks this line, then I'll wait for this target 18,000, which I don't think will come today. So I'm still the reason Nifty consolidated here, and the option chain was telling that, from the option chain what I can get is that 18,000 is a support, good support, strong support, and below that there is no support. So in case today Nifty breaks 18,000, which I don't think will be possible, because till 10th of November, that is till Thursday, Nifty, I don't think Nifty will break 18,000. So, and there has been lot of call writers at 18,100, 18,200 and stuff. So this lot of call writers, and there is also call writer at 18,000. So I think that the call writers are trying to bring market down or sideways. So it's almost 1 p.m. So I'll wait and see what happens. So this is the current situation. I'm in a huge loss now. The PE, this one that I bought at 18,167. Nifty came down here, and from here it went back up with momentum, and I should have booked my position at below 18,082, but I became busy with some other work, and so now I'm in a loss. I have not exited my position, and I'm mentally prepared to take my loss. But the two learnings that I had today was, the two mistakes was, I should have booked my CE that I was carrying. I had a loss of 600 rupees, but if I could have booked at the beginning of the market, I could have made 200, 300 rupees profit. And the second thing is, I became more focused on some other work when market was here in this range. It was coming down, and instead of booking profit, I was more focused, or I was less focused in the market, and that is the reason I missed my profit. So 1,000 rupees profit for today became 1,000 rupees loss for me today, whereas I could have easily gotten 1,000 rupees profit. I could have trailed my SL from this line to here, and I could have exited at this candle, this first green candle here. So in that also I could have exited at no profit, no loss. So now you know, the thing is that in this time, I was tensed. In this time period, I was very tensed, a little bit anxious. But when market came in my direction, I became a bit casual. That okay, it will go down here, then it will break this, and this casual approach towards the market or in my thinking made me book the loss today. Uh, this is in this 5 minute chart. I clearly got time to exit here, but I was not focused on the market. Or I could have exited at this red candle also. But this is the mistake that I made, and so ended up having loss. And now Nifty has crossed my SL. So Nifty opened gap down, and then it is crossing the SL. So in 3 minutes time frame, Nifty has opened gap down, and then it is going up. So I think it is purely because of the profit booking. Tomorrow is holiday in the market, and this is the reason that Nifty is going up. So I'll exit and book my loss. I'll not carry it for tomorrow, whatever the situation may be, because tomorrow I don't expect market to go like 17,900 or something like that. Or I can do one thing. I can exit at Wednesday morning, that is on the 9th of morning. So I'll keep my Nifty has formed a big doji in the day's candle. This is a very big doji, and I can give it a try if Nifty opens gap down below 18,000. So I have not yet decided, and I'll decide and then see what to do. So I've decided that I will carry my PE position for the 9th of November, that is Wednesday, because tomorrow is holiday, Guru Nanak's birthday. And the reason I did this because I kind of calculated that the CE that I carried, I exited it today here. I carried it over 3 days, and for 3 days I was carrying the CE and made a loss of 600 rupees, and I bought it at 1,700 something, 1,800 rupees almost. So today this PE, the PE of 18,000, 17,900 that I bought here, it cost me around 1,000 rupees, so 1,100 rupees approximately. So I'll give it a try. In case on the 9th, Nifty opens somewhere around 18,000 or below 18,000, because we have this here. So in case it opens here and then it rallies up, so I can get some profit. And another reason is for today, I already had almost 600 rupees loss for the CE position that I had. So again, 600 rupees loss in the PE position would show not show good on my PNL, and this is the only reason that I'm carrying. Just a risk, a bet, kind of a gambling. I shouldn't be doing that, but it's only 1,000 rupees, so there is a reason I'm willing to go for it. And I think I'll hedge with it with a CE at the end of the day. So let's see.